Hello friends, today I will discuss about FIBSc Chemistry Practical. The next practical number third polar plots of S and P orbital in inorganic chemistry practical. The aim of this practical to sketch the polar plots of S and P orbital. Firstly, the polar coordinate system is a two-dimensional coordinate system in which each point of the plane is determined by a distance from a fixed point and an angle from a fixed direction. The fixed point analogous to the origin of a Cartesian system is called the pole, and the ray from the pole in the fixed direction is its polar axis. The distance from the pole is called radial coordinate or radius r, and the angle of the angular coordinate polar angle theta. Next, the polar graphs are quite different to those we produce using our familiar Cartesian coordinate system. In the polar coordinate axis system, the point r and theta is defined as follows. Along the horizontal polar axis go out r units, then rotate in a positive direction, that is the anticlockwise, and the pole having the theta shows the following figure. Figure number first, the point of the 7 and 120 degree angle in polar coordinate is plotted in figure second. We go 7 units out of the polar axis, the rotate around the pole having 120 degree Celsius. The polar plots of atomic orbital. An orbital is a region of space in which there is a maximum probability to finding an electron with a specific quantity of energy. The probability of an electron being found in any region depends upon the direction and distance from the nucleus. The knowledge of angular probability distribution predicts that each orbit having well-defined shape. This is the Schrodinger wave equation for hydrogen atom can be solved easily in the term as spherical coordinators r, theta and psi, where r is the radical distance, electron from the nucleus is the theta angle, and which r mixed with the z axis, and psi is the angle which projection of r on the xy plane on the axis. Next chart having normalized angular wave function of atomic orbital of hydrogen atoms. First 0 value of L, value of M. This is the angular wave function psi 1, theta and psi. Next one is the value of L0, value of N0, psi is equal to S is equal to 1 upon 4 pi half. This having the value of M 0 plus 1 minus 1 0 plus 1 minus 1 plus 2 plus 2 and minus 2, and the plots having molar flow having the polar poles represent the angular part of the orbital. Such plots are easily drawn for S, P and D orbital, the orbital F like F, G, etc. It is difficult to derive the shape, and present experiment concerned with the sketches S and P orbital on polar graph paper. The mathematical wave function of S orbital for hydrogen atom is the first one y 1 ml r and theta is equal to 1 upon 2 root of pi, the value having 0.282, and psi pz is equal to root of 3 by 4 pi, cos theta is equal to root of 3 into 1 upon 2 root pi cos theta. The value having psi is 0.4879 cos theta. Next, shape of the orbitals. First shape in diagram for the S orbital Next shape having the pz orbital, px orbital and py orbital. The diagram having one s orbital and 3p orbital. 3p means px, py and pz orbital, where the L is equal to 1 and there are three values of the m, namely 1, 0 and -1. There are the p orbitals having shows up to the two lobes touching the origin aligned along the three axes. Material having this practical polar of the graph paper, pencil, scientific calculator or logbook, etc. Procedure of this practical: sketch s orbital. To plot the sketch of s orbital on polar graph paper, use appendix 3rd. Polar graph shows the following steps. Along the vertical polar axis 0 to 180 degree of the polar graph paper provided to you, each measure grid lines corresponding to 0.1 unit. Mark major grid line 0.1, 0.2, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 and 1.0 along unit vertical planar axis toward 0 to 180 degree angle from the pole on polar graph paper. Third procedure: along the vertical polar axis from the pole, go out constant distance 0.28 unit is 1 by 2 root of pi. Mark and it is then rotate in a positive direction about the pole by an amount 10 degrees Celsius and mark 0.28 unit distance from the pole. Further rotate positive direction anticlockwise about the pole and amount of the next 10 degrees Celsius. Again mark as same distance on the pole. And third and next fifth point of this procedure: continue the rotation every 10 and making the same distance till the total rotation by 360. Connect the mark points and each other follows circular path around the pole. Give the shape of circle is the s orbital on planar polar graph. The last point of this procedure: the limitation of the polar graph paper is that which cannot sketch exactly three-dimensional spherical shape. Sketch the pz orbital. This is the p orbital sketch of the p point. The plot of the pz orbital on polar graph paper, appendix 3rd polar graph, and the angular function as f theta is equal to root of 3 upon 4x cos theta. The value have given 0.4887 cos theta. Firstly, the value. This one is the 0, 10, 20, 30, 360 angle. Insert the data and table number 5.2. Along the polar axis 0 to 100 degrees Celsius polar graph paper provided to you. Select the scale and measure grid line corresponding to 0.05 unit. Same as mark the measure grade 0.05, 0.10, 0.15 to give 0.5 towards the 0 degree Celsius angle. And next is the reading. Mark as the major grid line having the minus 0.05, minus 0.010, minus 0.15 and to give last one reading having minus 0.5 towards the 180 degree. This is the angle origin from the pole on the vertical polar axis. This is the putting along the vertical polar axis toward 0 degree Celsius pole at angular distance is 0.4887. To give the answer is 0.49. This is the radical distance from pole, same as 10 degrees Celsius, 20 degrees Celsius to 360 degree anticlockwise direction. The next point is the plot is directed along the z axis called as pz orbital. Next, the table for angular function value of the f theta versus angle theta. First is the angle theta, angle having 0 to 300 degree Celsius. Next, cos theta value. Given formula having angular function is P of theta is equal to 3 root of 3 by 4 pi cos theta. The 0 is equal to 0.4887 is equal to 0.49, same as the 0 through 360 degree Celsius angle, and the given value of the cos theta for the formula. Next one is the plotting the graph paper and plot the s orbitals, and same as plotting the graph having p orbital. Result table of this practical: attach and submit polar plot s and pz orbital to the practical report book. Thank you for watching the video.